Local hospitals are reporting record numbers of COVID-19 patients. Good evening, everybody. I'm Chris Katz.
And I'm Haley Harrison. Today, 3 of the top healthcare systems in our area hit record numbers this past week. Investigative reporter Matt Fleener live at Truman Medical Center tonight with more on the concern.
Yeah, Haley, the real concern is for staff and keeping staff healthy, not only here at Truman, but other hospitals here in the area. Tonight, concern as hospitals are getting extremely full around Kansas City due to COVID-19 with staffing shortages.
We have people who are out sick with COVID. We have people who are out on quarantine.
Steve Hager keeps track of hospital capacity in Kansas City. He's concerned after Kansas City's top regional medical officers presented a slide this week showing 95 staffed beds open at 12 hospitals across the metro as of Sunday.
The system isn't broke yet, but it's bending.
While those numbers can change hourly, staffing is a major problem as hospitals are considering canceling essential surgeries to relieve stress.
We're not talking about who's not going to get a nose job or a tummy tuck. Those aren't the kind of procedures that we have to cancel to affect our bed count.
Instead, it's the essential procedures like heart replacement or cancer surgery. While he also emphasized we have to restrict our activity to give hospitals capacity.
It's really understanding what is your daily social bubble.
Hospital officials are warning the impact is going to be big if we don't get COVID-19 under control here in the next couple of weeks. Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.
And across the country, it's not getting any better. Almost 62,000 people are in a hospital with COVID-19, according to the COVID Tracking Project. That's up 79% from 1 month ago.
And in both Kansas and Missouri, more than 20% of tests are coming back positive. All week, that number in Missouri has actually been rising, hitting 21% today. In Kansas, the rate is holding steady at just over 20%. Texas has become the first U.S. state with more than 1 million confirmed coronavirus cases. Cases are surging in Laredo and El Paso. Texas hit more than 10,000 cases Tuesday. That's a new daily record for that state. 94 Texans lost their lives to the virus yesterday.
And the CDC is out with new recommendations after finding that wearing a mask may not just protect other people, but may also protect you to help avoid COVID-19. Doctors at the University of Kansas Health System talked about the findings, which they say aren't so new.
There have been holdouts to wearing masks. One of those has been, well, it doesn't protect me. And now we have, our national organization that we look to for guidance saying that it does offer protection. But that is not really necessarily otherwise new data.
Dr. Hawkinson adds a barrier is a barrier, and a mask can stop droplets from getting into your mouth and nose.
Well, new tonight, Mizzou's Saturday football game against Georgia has been postponed. The Southeastern Conference says it's because of a combination of positive COVID-19 tests, contact tracing, and quarantines within one position group in the Tigers football program. Right now, the conference says that the game could possibly be played on December 19th. Well, tonight, Staley High School has been closed for the rest of the week due to rising COVID-19 cases. The North Kansas City School District is warning parents that they may need to shut down even more schools if these cases keep rising. Now, in the last week of October, 37 students and 18 staff members tested positive for COVID-19. 192 students and 39 staff members were in quarantine for possible exposure. The superintendent says those numbers are putting a strain on the district's resources.
We are seeing a lot of positive cases come into some of our buildings. They're exposing our staff, particularly our bus drivers and teachers, which is making it a workforce issue for us. We are having a hard time coming up with enough subs and enough bus drivers to continue service in some areas.
And the district hopes to reopen Staley High School for hybrid learning Monday after adequate contact tracing and disinfecting.
A driver's license office in Overland Park has been closed after a suspected case of COVID-19. That office off 119th and Metcalf is expected to reopen tomorrow after a thorough cleaning. Earlier this year, Kansas Governor Kelly issued an executive order extending the expiration for driver's licenses and ID cards until January 26, 2021 because of the pandemic.